I'm referring to dreams for the future. As Walt Disney, the favorite cartoonist, said, if you can dream it, you can do it. If you can dream it, you can deliver it. So every product in the world, every service in the world was someone's dream some time ago. Isn't it? Just think about it. And we think it's Neil Armstrong who landed on moon first. But 100 years before that, it was Jules Verne who wrote in a science fiction story that a man carrying rocket would land on the moon. So it was Jules Verne's dream that became a reality when Neil Armstrong landed on moon. And it was Arthur C. Clarke, a veteran science fiction writer, and who opted to make Sri Lanka his second home. And he was the respected chancellor during our time. I still remember receiving my degree certificate from his shivering hands. He was wheelchair bound as a chancellor of the University of Moratu at that time. So he dreamt that Earth will be encircled by satellites. His dream became a reality when Russia, at that time USSR, launched the first satellite, the Sputnik 1. So dreams become realities. We need to dare to dream and dare to work, dare to fulfill the dreams. I remember meeting Dr. Abdul Kalam. Who is Dr. Abdul Kalam? The former president of India. He came to Sri Lanka twice. In one such visit, he came to PIM, my institute. And he made a brilliant speech. He said, dreams are not what you say when you are asleep. Dreams are what makes you to stay awake and to work. ආචාර්ය අබ්දුල් කලාම් කියන සිහින කියන්නේ ඔබ නින්දෙදි දකින දේවල් නෙමෙයි ඔබ අවදිව තබන දෙයක්. ඔබ යමකට පොළඹවන දෙයක්. ඔබ යමකට යොමු කරන දෙයක්. එවන් සිහින වාසනාවන්. අපිටත් ඒ වගේ සිහින ගොඩක්ම අවශ්‍ය කාලෙකයි අපි ජීවත් වෙන්නේ. සිහින දකින්න, සිහින සැබෑ කරගන්නට අවදි වී ක්‍රියා කරන්න. සිහිනය ඒ තරම්ම ප්‍රබලයි.